Oh, hello. We're just on a little trip through the wilderness. We're looking for wild beasts. Here we go. We're on a journey. Oh, crikey. We found one. We call this wild beast the Snore-asaurus. We're going to get in a little closer for a good, better look. See, the Snore-asaurus, they're usually not too friendly. You shouldn't really touch them or poke them. But, fuck it. We're gonna get wild right here. Hey, Snore-asaurus. How you doing? How you living, bruh? Hey, what you doing? Oh, the Snore-asaurus, he doesn't want to be awaked. He does not want to be awakened, but still, we're still on him. Hey, wake the fuck up, Snore-asaurus. Oh man, he's way too gone. I thought that we could wake the Snore-asaurus and we maybe get into a crikey ass fight. But this guy is just way too out of our realm right now. So we're just gonna keep it real and let him go. Let's just watch and listen and look. Yeah, this guy's pretty gone. I guess that's what a fucking 24 pack of Miller Lite that's gone. Yeah, there it is. Oh, Snore-asaurus was getting tanked tonight. And right now he's just out of the game. So, I mean, maybe we should just let him be, because otherwise, we don't want to wake the Snore-asaurus up. So we're just gonna let it be right now. Okay, adios, listeners, everyone, and good night to you all. I hope that you all have a good night, because we had a fucking great ass fucking night. Holla.